Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we plunge right into how to create interactive project dashboards in ClickUp, your all-in-one productivity tool. Our first step is to log into your ClickUp account. If you're new here, make sure to create an account first. The reason we do this is because all your project data is safely stored here under one central hub, ready to be transformed into an interactive dashboard. Next up, navigate to the Dashboards tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Add Dashboard icon. Give your dashboard a name. It could be the name of the project or a specific aspect you're tracking. This helps us because it allows quick and easy access to specific project data at a glance. Now that we've done that, we can start adding widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. They display data in different formats like charts, tables, or lists. Click on the Add Widget button and you'll see a list of widget options. Choose the ones that best represent your data. Let me explain why this matters. Widgets provide real-time visual representations of your project data. They make it easy to understand, track progress, and make informed decisions. Once your widgets are in place, it's time to customize them. Click on the settings icon of each widget to select the specific data you want to display. The reason we do this is to tailor the dashboard to show only the most relevant information, eliminating any unnecessary clutter. Lastly, you can rearrange and resize widgets by clicking and dragging them around the dashboard. This step is important because it allows you to prioritize the data by placing the most crucial widgets at the top or in larger sizes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By creating this interactive project dashboard, you're turning raw data into actionable insights. You're streamlining your project management process, making it easier to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make strategic decisions. And that wraps up our quick guide on creating interactive project dashboards in ClickUp. Remember, a well-organized dashboard not only keeps your team on the same page, but also drives productivity and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.